as the owner. I didn't talk to her. I don't understand. You guys speak English 10% and the rest on the other language.
We have a camera. And
Yes.
you can see them if you want to see them again.
But
you
now
can,
I have to do my nails.
I tell you
Can you
to
ask him,
stop.
please? I have to do my nails. I can't. I have to do my nails.
Because we cannot.
I came in at 5:30. I made the appointment to do my nails. I have to do my nails, or I'm gonna call the cops. Seriously, I have a flight. Please.
You can call. We can call too.
Yes.
Yeah, we have the
Yes.
camera and you.
I don't care about the camera. Please, I need to do my nails.
You
Please, no, seriously.
call.
I did not make an I made the appointment.
That's how they have their customer service. This is how it is.
I will put a bad reviews. I'm gonna call my friend. She has nail salon at Winter Park, and I'm gonna ask her to call your corporate.
Okay, ma'am, you are literally disturbing the whole salon. I would appreciate if you could just take this outside.
But do you understand? I made
It
the
does not
appointment,
matter.
And I have a flight.
There's a decorum. You have to have some decency and be a little bit more respectful.